Hello girlies, today we are doing Euphoria inspired makeup look. I think you have watched the series. If you have, let me know what do you think about this season's makeup look. I too personally love those glittery makeup looks in season 1 and 2. That's why I have tried to create that kind of makeup look, so let's get started. The makeup base is already done. Today I am not showing it because I have shown it in my other videos, so you can check that out. The link is in the description. We are directly moving to the main focus of today's look, eyes. So I am doing graphic eyeliner here. Today I am doing eyeliner first because after eyeshadow, if the eyeliner mess up, the whole eye look will be ruined and I don't want that. After that, I am using this flat eyeshadow brush and doing cut crease with concealer. I am doing this because today I'll only use shimmer. I am using this purple shimmer eyeshadow and placing it on all over my eyelids. Then I am taking this lavender shimmer and placing it on the front half of my eyelid. Then I took a white kajal and drawing a line under the eyeliner. Then with the help of same white kajal, I am drawing inner corner wing. It gives a sharp eye look. Then I curled my lashes. Then I used a lengthening mascara. Then I'm filling the eyebrows with the help of brown eyeshadow. Then brushed the eyebrows. Now I'm using lip and cheek tint. Blended it with a beauty blender. Now I'm taking the same lavender eyeshadow which I used for my eyes and using it as a highlighter. I am using it in my under eyes because of the glittery tear look. Then I'm using these stones. I lined my lip with a dark pink lip liner and filled it with a nude lipstick. Then I used a lip gloss for the plumpy lips. And here is the final look. Let me know what are your thoughts about this look, and if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you can get notified. See you in the next one. Bye.